Evan, and we're back with another daily vlog. What did I just say? Oh, whatever. So before I made this video, I was looking at Charlie, and since it rained today, he's like super wet. Okay, so what? It rained today, and it's gonna rain today. So this is what it looks like. Really hope one of these stupid raindrops doesn't fall on me. Super wet. Like super duper wet. Look how wet that is. Yeah, Charlie? Look at how cute he is. Okay. As you might see in the thumbnail, is basically just shoot. Ugh. Shoot. I dropped my camera. Okay, much better. As you saw in the thumbnail, I'm like looking, but I won't put thumbnail until it starts raining, so it makes more sense. I'm gonna make like 3 more videos today, but let's get right into the skating. I'm getting my tripod ready, and then I can see like Charlie, and he's just like right there. That was really funny. This is a nice angle. No. So it's like about to rain in like a couple seconds because like the wind is going. Tell me in the comments if you like my thumbnail or if you think it's weird. I want to know. Okay, so let's do a warm up. It's like so cold. It feels like I'm in the snow. Also, it's sprinkling, so it's technically raining, kind of. Starting off, it's a simple ollie. I'm so sorry, YouTube. It's just like I slipped and my board went straight up into the chair that I'm using my tripod for. Oh shoot, it's sinking in. Edgar isn't here today because I'm at my dad's, so in the last video, the quick session, if you watch that one, if you go down to the links, you'll see his channel, so go subscribe to him. It'll be on quick session and this video. Which one are you? Oh my God. Should I do an ollie Indy, airwalk, or Japan Air? Which one? Number 1, 2, or 3? You want one? Okay, ollie airwalk it is. You ready, Charlie? Okay. You ready? That wasn't really good. Do you think that was good? No? Oh no, it's starting to sprinkle. No. That was like a 90s airwalk. I'm just gonna do one like right here. There you go. Charlie! Let's go get Charlie, see what he's doing. Charlie! What are you doing, bud? He's literally just right there. Charlie! Let's go check him out. Charlie, come on, it's starting to sprinkle. Sorry if that broke your speaker. Okay. Let's continue. Subscribe if you like this content, because I like it too. Also, you guys, before I continue skating, big announcement. Our first announcement. I am at 520 something views in total on YouTube. So can you guys please get me to 1,000 views in total, or just 1,000 views on my video, please? That would be a big help. And at least 200 subscribers, but 1,000 views. That's one of my goals. And 120 subscribers. So let's go. Charlie, come here. Okay. Charlie. Number 1, 2, or 3? Okay, I don't think he wants to pick. You can't really see when I do that trick. It was probably better. That was not better at all. Like at all. Can this darn thing even see me? Yeah, no. There you go. Come on. Okay, wait a minute. I'll be back. Dude, you guys, I got to like the exact perfect. So now, when I do my tricks, like, can it see my board? That's the only concern. Can you see? Yeah, you can. That was pretty tough. Low key. Let me do a better one. I need to take off my jacket. I don't care if it's cold. That was kind of good. The thing is, I do it better while moving. So let's do it while moving. There you go. That was better. Very fast. That was much better. By the way, okay. So the thumbnail won't be until it finally starts raining again. But before we go, let me show you how cool this is. Dude, like, it looks like a horror scene. It's pretty cool. Pretty sick, bro. It looks really nice. I'll link Edgar's channel down below. I'll link 649 Vista California's channel down below. Have a good day. And bye.